gonna think I'm crazy, but I just couldn't stop thinking about what Tough Nut said last night. Toothless can't come and go like the other dragons, and that's just not fair. What do you think of that? Yeah.
You tried this once before. He didn't want it.
Toothless, stop! What are you doing? Well, until now, he didn't have a reason to. Right, bud?
No way! You built him a new tail? So he's gonna be able to fly without you.
It's okay.
Wow, what a great gift. What if he never comes back? What am I saying? Of course he will.